Today's the unboxing review of Kamen Build DX Full Rabbit Tank Bottle, the henshin item for Bill's new form, the Rabbit form and the Tank form. Now this is actually the fourth Rabbit Tank best match base form. It is because in the first unboxing review of the build collection, I did the unboxing review of the deluxe build driver and used the Rabbit and Tank full bottles to create the the main form Rabbit Tank best match. And then in the second unboxing review I did the Rabbit Tank sparkling, and then the last video I did was the hazard trigger, which you actually seen the videos, which you guys will probably see them on the links in the description. Which in the front of the box we see the full bottle right here, also with the two new forms on the left side right here, and then on the back right here, which in the first panel you shake the full bottle and get the rabbit form, and then use it on the build driver with the hazard trigger, and then you use it for the final attack. Then on the second panel you use it for the tank form and use it for the final attack. Then the third panel right there, you'll see the full bottle inserted into the full bottle buster, which I will do the unboxing review later on. And then on the top, rabbit form and tank form, the forms. And then on the right side we see the full bottle with the build driver and the full bottle buster and the bottom. And now it's time to unbox it. And here it is, the full Rabbit Tank bottle, which it looks like this. As you can see right here, has black with gold on this side, silver on this side, and has no logos on each of them except for the one right here. Turn to the back, which we see the button right here to unleash this, and turn it like this, and on the back, which right here you can see the number 898 on it right here, and the barcode on the silver side, the number on the gold side, the barcode silver side. And here's the insert, the battery strip, which I'm going to do it right now. And here is the sound when you shake it up like this. That's the red. I'll switch it over here to the gold. Change it. There we go. And it says rabbit. And let's change it again. Right there. Let's change to blue. Then let me change the symbol right here. it says tank, and that's the standby music. And now I'm gonna bring out the build driver and the hazard trigger right now. And here we go. I have the I have the hazard trigger. I press the button. Already turn on the the build driver. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me turn this. Sorry. Sorry. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And that is the transformation theme for rabbit form. And hear what it sounds like with the final attack. Here we go. And there we go. It says hazard finish and rabbit finish, which in the episode that he used on the debut battle. And now it's time for the tank. And here we go. The tank form. Press the button. Insert it in. Here we go. Shake it up. Here we go. Sorry, let me just. Here we go. Insert it in. Sorry. Here we go. Here we go.
Are you ready? Overflow.
And there you have it, the tank form transformation theme. And now here's the final attack. And there you go, the hazard finish with the tank finish. Sounds familiar? Yep. And that is it. And there you have it. I have to say, I love this henshin item, and I love the new form that he used to get his hazard level up, which he used this to defeat Rogue. But now we're actually headed to the final battle pretty soon, which Crossy is going to have a new form, and I can't wait to do the unboxing review of that. So anyway, I love this toy. Which anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment away anything about this unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guy Drainer here saying sign out. Laters!